After the event, a team of travel journalists led by the president of the National Association of Tour Operators NATO, Alhaja Bolaji Mustafa, visited the Danmasani of Ilorin and chairman of the Ilorin Emirate Durbar Committee, engineer Suleiman Yahaya Alapansanpa. During the visit, he offered valuable insights into the historic roots and deep Islamic essence of the Durbar, the uniqueness of the title Shehu, and Ilorin's identity as a city shaped not by conquest but by religious scholarship and communal harmony. We bring you highlights of our conversations with him in this interview.
Durbar is our own accepted showing of our culture, our tradition, our heritage, and our value. As a result of that, every Ilorin man and woman want to participate. Our own symbol is riding horses, and we use that to do a lot of things. The word Durbar is widely recognized word from Persian Gulf around 10 centuries ago, and it is widely accepted in the whole northern Nigeria, particularly in Ilorin, and we do that twice or thrice in a year, during Eid al-Fitr and during Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Fitr is the one we do after fasting, and this one is the big one. Our own Durbar started as far back as 1830 as a result of our victory over the combined forces of Oyo dynasty, led by Alafin Oyo, and that of Baruba, headed by Orokura. It was a Saturday that they invaded Ilorin. But for the fact that Ilorin people, they are always having their eyes open at any time. They never scared of war because they carry it as a way of giving their people freedom, expanding our faith, which is Islam, propagating Islam. It was a Saturday. They thought everybody would be asleep or agog with, going about. But they quickly gathered themselves. Over 1,000 horses were used to destroy the invading groups. And the victory of that day informed our Durbar, and they went in that group to congratulate the Emir, celebrate with him. It was a joyous occasion. As in that day, we have been doing it year in, year out. But incidentally, the thing died down. The euphoria, the celebration, the happiness, the joy it entails were dying down. Until 2018, May Martaba, His Royal Highness, in his wisdom, in his majesty, decided to reinvigorate it, brought it back in a big form that he named Grand Durbar. As it's 2018, this is the 8th edition that we are doing. He set up a committee that to organize, implement, showcase it yearly. And since that time, we have been moving from good to better, to better, to better. We are here to get to where we are. The Ilorin people are so interested because it is our own culture that we show. And mind you, our own Durbar is a little bit different with other Durbar because in our own we showcase our ways of life, our handwork, our food, the way we dress, the way we move, the way we talk, and the way we relate. And we are to showcase the unity in diversity in us. There are 7 tribes that metamorphose, fused together, been together since the progenitor of Ilorin. We have been there. 7 major tribes are the Yorubas, the Hausas, the Fulanis, the Nupes, the Gobiris, the Kanuris, and the Baruba. We are 7 in number, and we are very strong. Everybody has their quarters. They live together under the umbrella of His Royal Highness, Alhaji Dr. Ibrahim Sulugambari. This is what we expect here. We gave them opportunity to continue to reign. We didn't allow anybody to lose their identity, and that is why you saw the Nubes, the Kanuris, the Barbars, Fulanis, everybody very happy. You can see the loyalty with Emir. You can see the love, and the love he has for us. That is clear. So do you see any police around him? You can't see any police, you can't see soldier, you can't see anybody. It's like that because it's love. You can see that mighty crowd. You can see at a stage, nobody could control anything again because it is huge. And when something is huge like that, is a sign that there's peace, there's tranquility, there's togetherness, there's oneness in the kingdom we call Ilorin Emirate. That is why the last 7 were staged in front of our palace forecourt. But in his wisdom again, he realized that this place is too small for us. Everybody comes all over the world, sons and daughters, friends of Ilorin, the residents of Ilorin, all important personalities all over the world. About 17 countries registered for their coming, and they were all around. We have, government functionaries that represent their agencies. UNESCO was represented, Nigeria Council of Art and Culture, NDA, NTDA, all of them, all those agencies, they were around. Their director generals, all is to gain from our own cultural survival, cultural revival, cultural retainers. We are able to sustain our culture, and that does not conflict with our faith. We are able to harmonize our faith with our culture, and that is what we say that is quite different from other nations. Not only that, we want the whole nation, Nigeria in particular, the entity called Nigeria, to emulate Ilorin Emirate. That's why we are showcasing that religion should not divide us. It should equally be a source of strength for us. And that is why we are very strong. You can see every other tribe here. In fact, the South people, they stage their own. The Atilogu, the Igbos, they stage there because there is peace here and they are enjoying here. If you live in Ilorin, you will not like to live in Ilorin. I'm using this opportunity to invite a lot of people to come to us where things are happening, and with this that we are showing people, I now realize that a lot of people are now investing here. All our locally made products are being exported now because they are in large demand, and as a result of that, a lot of people, industries, direct investment, they are all coming in to Ilorin, and Ilorin is growing left, right, center, front, everywhere. You can see, I don't need to tell you, because they want to see their emir, they want to use it. Only what you be hearing is shame. That is Ilorin people for you. This our project is still at the embryo stage. We will burn it, we will nurture it, we will grow it and send it to the whole world. So precisely, we expect more fantastic outing next year.